Hey guys, what's going on? Scalfani here. Thanksgiving just ended, so I like to grab myself a turkey after Thanksgiving because the price dropped from like $1.50 a pound to 98 cents a pound. So I grabbed this one so that I could try something out. You still may need this. This video is great for Christmas because you may want to learn how to brine. I'm going to show you how I'm going to brine. I'm going to show you all the steps we're going to take. I'm going to probably leave it in the garage. We're going to use ice and water and Cosmos Q. That's right. You guys come on in close and I'll show you what it looks like. Cosmos Q, you know how much I love the seasoning. And I found out they had a brine, so I ordered it. Got it off Amazon. And there'll be, if there's any good, there'll be a link down below. But we're going to use this whole, I think the whole packet. I haven't even read the directions. Yeah, so we're doing this whole bird with this whole brine. And I have to tell you, brining is better than just seasoning or even marinating. I mean, like, this is like marinating, but it's a special blend of seasonings, okay? Let's see, what is in here? Salt, brown sugar, spices, Worcestershire powder, soy and corn. Okay guys, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the bucket, I line the plastic on it, okay? So it's like a food grade bag. I lined it. It came with another brine kit I had, so I took the bag out of that. I'm using that. So line the bucket. Then we're going to put the turkey in here. And then 2 gallons. Every gallon of water you have in this, you're going to do 1 cup of this. So I plan on doing 2 gallons in here. And then we're going to put 2 cups of brine in here. Then we're going to throw ice in here. Then we're going to close it up. It'll be like that for an hour per pound. So they say it's a 12-pound bird. So we're going to brine it for 12 hours. Okay? 1 cup of brine, 1 gallon of water. 1 cup of brine, 1 gallon of water. So let me, it's empty right now, as you can see. See? Nothing in there. But we're going to get the turkey in here first. There we go. Drop it in there. Got the bird in. See? There it is. All right. Now we're going to put 2 gallons of water in here and 2 cups of brine. So let's get that ready now. All right. In goes the water. We got some water in a bowl here. We're going to use that to get our brine in there. Okay. Got that all mixed. Then go ahead and mix your brine in some of the water. That's a strong, strong brine there. Get it all diluted. Okay. All right, I'm going to pour the brine solution in. All right, last thing I'm going to do is take big blocks of ice and put them in there so the turkey doesn't go bad. Keep it cold. Could be in the garage all night. And then we're going to put a lid on this. All right? And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. So we have also twisty tied. It comes in the kit, or you can just use any twisty. But we've already twisted the bag. Okay? So we've got the turkey, the bag full of water. We got ice in there. We got everything. And then later on, if we feel like it before we go to bed, we can put a little more ice on top if we want. But in the meantime, we're going to put this in the garage and we'll put a lid over it and we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. We just took the turkey out of the pail, drained all the, there was still ice in it. We only put ice in once from the refrigerator. We took all the ice out of the freezer, threw it in there, and it lasted all night in the garage because it got down to, it's like 36 degrees. So It's good. So now we're going to season it real quick with some, ironically, Cosmos Q Dirty Bird seasoning. So let's get that open. We're going to give that a dusting. Then there's a hot version, a hot Dirty Bird, okay? Anyway, we got this well coated, and we're going to cook this at, I'm guessing it's been brining for 12 hours, so we're going to cook it at 250. Okay, this will be cooking all day. And we will see you guys later on today to take a look at this. I'm going to get the thermometer in. We're going to watch this and see how it goes. All right, let's give this a cut. Okay. Got that right there. Got that right there. Got that clean. You ready? Here we go. It is filled with juice. This thing is so juicy. There we go. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Cosmos Q brine. We showed you how to brine. We used the Dirty Bird seasoning from Cosmos Q to top it off after brining all night. So let's give this a try. It's dripping everywhere. How many people can say they cut breast meat this Thanksgiving and it was dripping as they were putting it into their mouth? I wish I could give you a bite. This tastes absolutely amazing. The stuff came out great. The reason I bought another turkey, and I'm doing another turkey video, which I have another one coming, because turkey's dirt cheap. It's like 98 cents a pound right now. So I picked one up after Thanksgiving. I'm like, why not, right? So I love turkey. So enjoy this recipe. Grab these products. Cosmos Q is amazing, but any brine will work. Buy a brining kit. Should come with a bag. Should come with the brine and directions and measurements, okay? I love you guys. I'm having turkey for lunch, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.